Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I tidy up and refresh my pantry. So as you can see, my pantry definitely needs some decluttering and organization. I'll be using the same bins from my last pantry video, so if you haven't watched, make sure you go check that video out. I really hate boxes everywhere, and I will be changing that out very soon. But if you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle, and I make cleaning, home decor, and organization videos. Now let's jump right in. So when I'm organizing, first I like to pull everything out of my pantry, and then I give my shelves a good wipe down, and then I restock all of my bins. Here I am going through the Oreo packs, and I'll do the Teddy Grahams too. It wasn't that many left, so I'm only putting what was left in Ziploc bags. I'm also writing down what I need to get from the grocery store as I'm cleaning my pantry. The only thing I really changed from my first video is I switched my flour, my sugar, and my pastas to the bottom shelf. No reason why, I just like to switch things around from time to time. Now I will be organizing my bins and throwing away anything that has expired, something that we don't use, or just trash. This is a very budget-friendly fix. All of the red bins were purchased from Dollar Tree. I will be doing a Dollar Tree shop with me very soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss it.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time.
So all of these boxes did come from inside of the pantry. I will be throwing all of that away. And don't you see how nice and neat everything turned out? Like, oh my goodness. The chips is the only thing that I really didn't like, but I'm sure I'll be throwing those out soon because I don't think nobody's really eating them. After I get done stocking everything, that is it for this video. I just want to thank you if you are still here with me right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every comment. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget about my giveaway that I will be doing. So make sure you're following me on Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you and goodbye.
No ties, no price.